this empty room, measuring the shadows and the weight of the coming doom. I used to be a prisoner of the way you said my name, just a moth dancing in the middle of a dying flame. Now I am looking at the calendar like it is a deck of cards, shuffling the months and the years and the broken shards. I am done with the whispers, I am done with the gray. Taking the high road and driving the ghost away. My youth was a museum where I kept all your mistakes, a collection of the promises and all the silent aches. I spent a decade trying to fit into your narrow skin, forgetting that I had a whole universe living within. The refrigerator light is the only sun I used to see while I was busy drowning in the tea you made for me. But every drop of sorrow is a gallon of the fuel. I am breaking every single one of your pathetic rules. There is a rhythm in the static and the music in the rain, the sudden glorious ending of the paralyzing pain. I am tired of the begging, I am tired of the law. I am finally ready for the greatest part of the show. Something is snapping like a whip in the middle of the dark. I am finally catching the light of a single massive spark. I am tearing up the blueprints of the house I built for you. I am painting over every single shade of faded blue. It is a spectacular mercy, this collapse of my old world, watching the flag of my own spirit finally getting unfurled. I am not a fragment, I am not a broken glass. I am the wildfire burning through the concrete and the grass. Watch me accelerate without looking back at the cost. I am finding the version of me that I thought was lost. Do not look for the shadow that was hiding in the hall. She has learned to stand up straight and she has learned to stand up tall. I have turned my lonely lease into a rocket made of light, and I'm launching myself into the middle of the night. My solitude is no longer a canyon or a grave. It is the crest of the highest and the loudest wave. I am the high voltage wire and the lightning in the sky. I am the one who is finally learning how to fly. 1,000 nights of kneeling for a God that never spoke, 10,000 miles of running through the mirrors and the smoke. I am not the victim, I am not the silent stone. I am the queen